Bitcoin is getting a pop, right? So we are seeing Bitcoin getting a bounce. This is normal because, frankly, the stock market's going up. So when the stock market goes up, it's risk on. When Apple's going up, people are feeling great. If they're putting money into stocks and rallying markets, Bitcoin's going to get a bounce. Now, this is the kicker.
Wait a minute, everyone. Welcome to Bitcoin Zella, your platform for daily cryptocurrency analysis and news. Our mission is to keep it simple. Bitcoin Zella offers engaging information that is easy to understand. Our analysts keep their eyes on the latest news to provide valuable insights via email. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Join our community of 10,000 subscribers and experience the new edge with Bitcoin Zella. Subscribe now. In this video, Gareth will share his insights on: is the cryptocurrency market mirroring the stock market's rise? Will the bulls break through? Ethereum takes a different path. Why it doesn't need to confirm above like Bitcoin and where it might be headed next. Let's join Gareth in this interview about these topics and more.
Now, this is the kicker. Watch this level like a hawk right here. See, remember this former trend line I kept on telling you guys about? This is the level. In fact, I want to make it even simpler. We can put this channel back in at another time, but really, at this point, I like keeping it as simple as possible for you. This is it. So what you're watching for is we need to close back above this level, which I think is right around, let's see, right around 61,500. So we need to close above 61,500 and then confirm. If we confirm, now you got some big potential upside, but you got to get that first. As of now, this is confirmed resistance. Think about this like a wall this size. This is confirmed resistance. It is going to be resistance, not to say it can't be broken, but the bulls have some buying to do to get this above this if they want it to really have legs. So watch that level like a hawk, guys. That is what you're going to be seeing. In terms of Ethereum, I have to say, super happy I covered my short with members at Smart Money Crypto. It came right in here. I said to myself, hey, listen, use the same rules. Like if this was anything else, doesn't matter what it is. If it's coming into dual trend lines of there, and you can see the two trend lines converging right there, I said, do the smart thing, take your money off on the short trade, and then you could always maybe re-enter. Well, guess what? It's now up 300 bucks or so, 200 to 300 bucks since we got out of that trade. And for all I know, it could go up to this high-end range. There's nothing that it has to confirm above like Bitcoin. This thing could just go right back to about 3,400. Now, 3,400 will be confirmed resistance, but right now, that's still about 300 and change away.
Bitcoin's price soars above $64,000, marking a strong rebound from recent market fluctuations. Unexpected recovery, Bitcoin quickly recovers to $64,000 after facing market challenges. Recovery drivers. The comeback is driven by changes in market sentiment and significant global economic and crypto developments. Reduced volatility. Bitcoin shows strength, recovering from lows despite geopolitical and economic volatility. Easing concerns. Bitcoin's rally indicates growing investor confidence, overcoming initial regulatory and geopolitical worries. Shift in sentiment. The rally comes after a period of concern, suggesting a change in investor outlook. Influence of U.S. jobs data. The less-than-expected U.S. job report may lead to Federal Reserve policy adjustments, enhancing Bitcoin's attractiveness. Investment inflows. Grayscale's Bitcoin ETFs sees new investments, reflecting increased interest in cryptocurrencies. Whale activity. Significant Bitcoin purchases by large investors suggest a positive view of its future value. Market prospects. Bitcoin's recovery points to its adaptability and potential for continued growth despite challenges. This recovery underscores Bitcoin's resilience as a prominent digital asset in the ever-changing financial world.
Looking at gold, guys, gold's kind of interesting here. So most people, and including myself, would say, all right, the dollar is down big, so gold should be up big. It's not. Barely moving on the day. Why? Because gold is also a risk-on, risk-off thing. And when people get scared in the stock market, people go to gold. Right now, today, better jobs numbers, markets love it. Apple earnings, market love it. Investors are taking money away from gold and putting it into the stock market, and that's taking away from the potential pop from a weaker dollar. So that's just what it is. Now, in all fairness, I've been bearish on gold in the short term, even though I'm hugely bullish long term, because I still think it has to retrace, and this might be the beginning of that move. So we had the topping tail, the bear flag, and now we're trying to break down here. But really, again, I still think we probably have to test the 2,200 level. Next up on silver. Silver drove me nuts yesterday. So yesterday, you guys know I said between 26 and 25.50 is your zone to buy. We got to literally 26 like 02, and then it popped back up. I'm like, all right, how many people were front running me? Thanks, guys. Nah, it's all right. No big deal. But the point is, again, this is still my zone. I'm a disciplined trader. If I missed it, I missed it. So be it. If it wants to come back in, I will be waiting patiently. I have my zones in here where I have my orders. If it comes in there, I will take it. Otherwise, there's always another trade around the corner. I mean, how many trades do we go over in these alone? I mean, huge. Natural gas, guys, real quick here. Natural gas is going in the right direction. Giggity, giggity. All right. Anyways, we have this move to the upside here. I love how we've had these big pullbacks and they keep on getting bought up. So that's a positive. It even gives me hope that, and listen, you can't assume anything. Markets are markets, charts are charts. We know we have resistance right here. But the way this is acting, it almost makes me think it might even push through, at least pierce this level. Again, for 220 to 225 is the zone. We're trading at 213 right now. Can we do it? We've been in a nice upsloping kind of channel, if you will, right here. Can we push up and pop through this level? Speaking of popping through in the commodity service, smart money commodities, I got to show you this because this is just case in point. Like, again, one of the greatest things about the services I run, guys, holy cow, look at this, it's even working even better, is that I literally find these trades within the commodities, within the crypto markets, and within the stock and ETF markets. This was one we took in the commodity service, and we are just rocking it now. Look at the pattern. Cup, handle, or bull flag below resistance, right? Support here, broke down, resistance, resistance, resistance. Broke above, confirmed. Here's your confirming candle. Bull flag. What do you think's going to happen? Boom, to the upside. So yesterday, by the way, we just closed out a trade in the smart money commodities for a nice gain on LIT, lithium, the lithium ETF. But this is another one we're holding because the chart is just, and this is the beauty of it. You know, I don't consider myself a huge expert on commodities. I don't consider myself a huge expert on crypto. Heck, I could have a Forex service. I don't want another service, by the way. But the point is that charts are charts. Bull flags are bull flags. Support is support. You can trade anything when you learn charts. You can trade freaking anything.
The U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF market sees a major boost with over $343 million in inflows, suggesting a positive shift for Bitcoin. The U.S. Bitcoin ETF market records a massive $343 million inflow on May 3, 2024, despite a downtrend in the crypto market. Fidelity's FBTC leads with $102 million in inflows, while Grayscale's GBTC also sees a notable $63 million, indicating investor confidence. This influx leads to a bullish trend in the crypto market, with Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana gaining value. After a recent dip, Bitcoin trades near $63,000. Technical analysis suggests potential resistance at the 200 EMA. A breakout could lead to a rise towards $67,200, while failure might result in a drop to $54,000. This influx of funds into Bitcoin ETF signals growing investor interest and could forecast an upward trend for Bitcoin's price. If you've been with us so far, a big thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for free to Bitcoin Zella for your daily news. The link is waiting below. That's all for today's crypto news. Stick around for more updates, insights, and analysis on cryptocurrencies. Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more exciting content.